So hi everyone, thank you so much for having me here. I am really excited to talk to you about the 10 secret to public speaking and pitch perfect how to bridge barriers. So there was a time in my life when I felt like I had to wear a mask, like I had to pretend that everything was fine. Even it wasn't. I was afraid that if people saw me the real me, my struggles, my fears, my doubt, they would turn away. So I smiled. I nodded. I said, I'm okay, even it wasn't. But inside, I was drowning. And I know I'm not the only one. Many of us walk through life carrying burdens we're too afraid to share. We think vulnerability is weakness. But what if it is actually the key to connection, to healing, to truly being seen? Chris Anderson, in his TED Talk, teaches us great public speaking isn't about performance. It's about sharing an idea that matters. Inka Magne reminds us that our tone, our voice, how we say something can bridge barriers. And that made me realize something. Silence is a barrier too. The more we hide our struggles, the more we feel alone. But the moment we speak, the moment we share our truth, we create space for others to say, me too. I've learned that true strength is not in pretending to be okay, but having the courage to say, I'm struggling. Because that is when real connection happens. That is when we help not only ourselves, but others who may be feeling the same way. So, if you're carrying something heavy, if there's part that you are afraid to share, know this. You are not alone. Your voice matters. Your story matters. And maybe, just maybe, by sharing your truth, you can be light for someone else in their darkest moment. Because the most powerful words anyone can hear are, I understand, I've been there, and you'll be through this.